A lot has changed since Tumbleweed came on the scene back in 1999 with their lineup of custom tiny homes. The movement has seen massive growth in popularity, and more builders have come out, offering a wide variety of options to the tiny house community. The one thing that hasn't changed much, however, is the lender's unwillingness to finance these high-risk and unconventional ventures. Today I'd like to show you 3 tiny home options that you can purchase turnkey with in-house financing already in place to turn your dreams of tiny home ownership into a reality. Stay tuned. Today's tiny house tour begins in Gogh, Manitoba, where we take a look at this 14 by 30 country-style RTM cottage. So the very first thing you notice when you walk in here, guys, it's a very bright building. It's full of natural light. This is a 14 by 30. This building has a tall ceiling. It feels really spacious in here. As you can see, the kitchen here, you actually have a lot of counter space. Considering this is such a small building, you know, this island really gives you a lot of space to work if you're preparing a meal. A full-size stove here. You've got a small refrigerator. Obviously your kitchen sink, nice large kitchen sink. And coming down the hallway here, we've got the master bedroom at the end, and you've got the bathroom to my right. Here we come into the master bedroom. It's actually a pretty decent sized bedroom. As you can see, there's also room there for the laundry. You could do a stackable washer-dryer combo. The closet in the master bedroom is where the utility room is for your HRV unit and your electric hot water tank. It's all stored nicely in here. That's a tour around this 14 by 30 pre-finished cottage from Premier Portable Buildings. They're asking $68,000 Canadian for this building. In the nearest city, the average home price is over $350,000 in this region. So obviously, it's a great way to save some money, and it's a beautiful home. As far as financing options that are available for these buildings, Premier partners with a company called Finance It. You can borrow up to $60,000, which means you will have to put about $8,000 down on this home. But it's not a bad deal, and the rates are reasonable. The next home on our list is from the original player in the game, Tumbleweed House Company. The Cypress has been a staple in their lineup since 2007 and is available in a wide variety of styles to suit your personal taste and budget. Starting at just $70,000 the Cypress is a great option for those looking for a turnkey home under $100K. Featuring warm wooden accent walls and premium luxury finishings, the Cypress is sure to have you feeling right at home, wherever you decide to take it. Tumbleweed offers this home with an optional 9-year warranty, and with financing terms starting at just 6% over a 23-year term with 10% down, Tumbleweed makes the Cypress an affordable choice for the average Joe. Now, if you prefer a more modern style tiny home, check out this offering from Zero Squared. The Van Gogh is available in either 30-foot or 28-foot configurations with 2 to 3 bedrooms. There's a queen-size bed on the main level, as well as a second queen in the loft, with a second loft being offered at an additional price. 10-foot ceilings on the main level make this space feel very bright and inviting. At £21,000, Zero Squared recommends that you pull this unit with a minimum of a 1-ton pickup, an F350 or equivalent. Pricing starts at $79,000 or $106,000 Canadian, but if bi-weekly is the way to go, you can have this home for around $250 bi-weekly. There you have it, guys. 3 different tiny homes that you can purchase today with in-house financing available. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to let me know. Hit that thumbs up button down below and let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any videos in the future. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I'm the Happy Hermit. Cheers.